Discord screen share problems on Ubuntu got you pulling your hair out. Let's fix that. First, let's check your application permissions. Open your Ubuntu settings application. Then navigate to the application settings, scroll through the applications until you find Discord. And click on it. Ensure that the screen recording permission is enabled. This is crucial for Discord to capture your screen. If permissions aren't the issue, outdated graphics drivers might be the culprit. Open your terminal. Type sudo apt update, then enter your password and type sudo apt upgrade to update your system, including your graphics drivers, to their latest versions. This often resolves compatibility issues. Still no luck? Head over to your Discord settings, click on voice and video, scroll down until you find the use a different video capture method to experiment with capturing desktop option. Toggle this on. This setting sometimes bypasses the default capture method, resolving conflicts. Finally, if you're running Wayland, which can cause problems, try switching to Xorg before launching Discord. Open a new terminal and input NU Wayland_display Discord. This command forces Discord to launch in Xorg, which often fixes screen sharing issues if it works. You can make this change permanent by modifying your Discord launcher. And that should do it with these steps. You should be screen sharing on Ubuntu in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Ubuntu tips and tricks.